right? So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in NetLab India. So they are hiring for network engineer who should have 0 to 1 years of experience, and it's in Andheri. Okay, and this is for freshers. मतलब knowledge हो. You should have basic understanding of networking concept and eagerness to learn and grow, right? So this is what exactly they're looking for. So local candidate only. If you're from Mumbai, Andheri West, Andheri, then you can get hired. Otherwise, अगर वहाँ शिफ्ट हो सकते हो, then see how they are hired. urvi.netlabsindia.com or ispita.r@netlabsindia.com. Next one is, again, this is for freshers. So there is a company who's looking for cybersecurity position, and another role is for the non-tech, right? Which is talent acquisition. So they want HR operations. Anyway, this is for us cybersecurity. 9 positions, freshers only, male and female, anyone UG PG. क्या भाई क्या करवा रहे? I don't know what exactly they want to do. And only female, only freshers only, male and female undergraduate. What kind of shit comment you guys are posting, right? I don't know what exactly, but anyway, this is the contact number. You can ask him, okay, what exactly they are looking for, right? And the company name is Future Academy, and Future Academy at outlook.com. As this is Outlook, this is not a mail ID of a company, right? So authenticate, is it true or not? Because see, right, airports are post this kind of thing. Any graduate, UG, PG, all those things. Right? Next one is urgent requirement for information security consultant. 1.8 years to 3 years of experience is required. Notice period is immediate joining, 1 month up to 60 days. Noida, base role, and this is a couple of things which is required, right? Those who can conduct the advanced security assessment, client web application pen testing, API and mobile application pen testing, thick client, and ESEC 40. Actually, this is looking for a very long time. Right. So OWASP top 10 knowledge is important. Other relevant knowledge is also important. Security tools knowledge is important, right? OSAP CEH equivalent is a plus point. Nidhi.bakshi@itsec40.com on which you can apply, right? Now, next role is vulnerability management engineer, which is in Bangalore. Work from office, face to face, mandatory 15 days joining, like 50 days in notice period. Suppose if you're leaving any company, right? So within 15 days, you need to join that one. कौन है भाई कौन दिल बरसा रहा है Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, key responsibilities into vulnerability management process is important, right? And operation tool, Tenable, Cisco, Kenya, all those things important. And actually, there is 3+ years of experience required, right? And ria.k at infotraceservices.com is the company name on which you can drop your resume, right? And ISO, NIST, etc. All those things is important. Yeah, if you want to learn ISO, NIST, just let me know. I can provide you free. अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है, if you can't afford, right? Next one is security analysis. Digital forensics incident respond. 10 से 19 LPA they can pay you around, and 2+ years of experience is required. And Sonali at etiamink.com, right? क्या कुछ भी नाम रख देते हैं etiamink.com, right? It's a hybrid, 3 days per week. You need to work from office probably. That's what I feel like. Try it, security alert, global cloud productivity, all those things important. It's like digital forensic incident response. If any incident occur, then how you're going to respond and all those things, that is important, right? 2+ years of experience in cybersecurity is important, and SOC may 1+years of experience. The people those who are not getting job as a SOC because they are lacking of knowledge, right? If you want to learn about SOC, just check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC. And sorry, this is the mail ID. And there are a couple of more things. पढ़ लो भाई इतना मैं कितना पढ़ूं. Next one is security HQ associate analyst and department CDC, right? So sakshi.geet@cybersecurityhq.com. They're hiring for SOC associate who can work on monitoring, reporting, and escalating event to the SOC analyst. Okay, you need कभी भी जाके काम करना पड़ सकता है because it's SOC center. It's a fresher, like again as I told you, freshers के लिए jobs है ना. तो check out this URL once again, vihgroup.com/SOC, right? If you want to learn SOC, Baner Pune is the location where you need to. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask.